Riffusion AI music tutorial. Make music with AI today. I'm going to tell you how to make music with AI using Riffusion. Riffusion lets you generate music using nothing but text prompts. You don't need instruments or production software, just an idea. Start by visiting riffusion.com. You'll see a text box where you can type prompts like lo-fi jazz with rain sounds or fast techno with heavy bass. Click generate and Riffusion will instantly create a music clip based on your description using a spectrogram to audio model. You can tweak the vibe, loop it, or blend styles by adjusting your prompt. Once you're happy with the results, you can download the audio and use it however you like. Beats, background tracks, anything. It's fast, free, and beginner friendly.